I'm Georgina and I'm going to show you around the Vintage Sofa Company. It's glorious sunshine today. We're in Halifax, West Yorkshire, set in this gorgeous surrounding location. And I thought I'd show you around today because we actually have TV filming going on today, so the showroom's looking its best. So this is going to be quite a quick tour round because otherwise this won't upload into enough, it'll be too long. Anyway, so this is our Marnie sofa. I'd say this is our deepest, most comfortable sofa. It is foam and feather. Through here you've got your Berties. These have been super popular because they're a nice squishy Chesterfield with a nice deep seat base. Through here you've got our token sofa bed, the Bugsby. My mum designed that herself and it's got a real thick mattress because she said all sofa beds are boring and ugly and uncomfortable. So you've got your Hepburn sofa here, a new range to us. We've just brought it back because even while we stopped selling it for a year, people are still asking for it, and that'll be because it's so deep and so comfy. Through here we have our Harris Tweed section. We've got our Chessington, Banbury and Arbroath. We recently brought back, actually introduced the Arbroath by Tetrad because we kept getting asked for a high-backed, supportive, deep-seated Harris Tweed Chesterfield, and this fits the bill perfectly. The Chessington and Banbury are some of our classic ranges we have sold since day dot. Here you have the Namur sofa. This is one of our most popular ranges. We've been selling this for a few years now. So popular. We've got it in the high pile Italian velvet. Inside you've got individual coil sprung and a feather topping, so you can imagine how comfy it is. This is also Tetrad Spinkeneder. Here you have the Oscar, probably my mum's favourite sofa. It's actually the sofa we based our entire company off of when she bought this building as our family home, but couldn't afford the new roof and new windows that were needed. So she sold her second-hand Tetrad Oscar on eBay, made a load of money, bought and sold more, and now we get them made brand new. The reason we love it is Chesterfields, as you know, traditionally are very narrow, but this is nice and deep, and the classic art is just gorgeous. It's so cool. Through here you have the Howard. I would say this is by far the most best-selling sofa we sell. We've been selling this for about 4 years, and consistently every single month this one is at the top of our sales charts. The reason being it's so squishy, so comfy. You've got foam and fibre wrap, you've got your nice high back, nice compact seating area, and it's a really good price point. Sorry, Through here we have our Kensington that's just been introduced by Tetrad. Through here you have your Louis and Milo, all aniline leather, super squishy, super comfy. Mum's got this one in her sunroom. We sell everything, so the cabinets you see, the chandeliers, the rugs, the sheepskins, the accessories are all for sale. This is the original Tetrad Oscar. We are very proud to sell this sofa. We have complete exclusivity on Tetrad Oscars, and we also have exclusivity on hand antiquing that you can see. So at the when this sofa's made, the leather is actually all over tan, and they actually hand rub, hand antique it so that you have these different shadings on it rather than just a flat leather. It's a very special art form, and Tetrad said if the guy who does it for them, that sounds morbid, but passed away, they wouldn't be able to do it anymore. It's an actual art form. So we've got the Bugsby. That's what I showed you as a sofa bed. This is it as just a standard 3-seater. We've got it in the really cool wacky prints, or you can have it in more of a normal velvet, but we do love it with the eccentric customers sometimes. We've got our zebras and our leopards. If you want just a chair rather than an entire sofa. And then we'll finish up here. We have a whole downstairs floor the same size again, and that's where we do all our clearance ex-display pieces. Maybe I'll show you that on the next video. But this is the Loretta and the Dalmore. These are Tetrad sister company Spink and Edgar. So you've got your high pile Italian velvets, but can also do your velvet. That's this one, and that is completely, well, it's very water resistant. My mum tested it over winter. We left it outside and it still looks good as new. So we love this amber and emerald colour combination together. I think it looks so cool. And then we'll finish up with the Warwick. High arms, super comfy, super cozy. The depth on it is probably our deepest sofa. These arms drop down. It is a Knoll design, or inspired by Knoll. So you've got your drop arms, and apparently they did that because there is an actual Knoll museum down south. Sorry guys, I'm actually out of breath. I'm trying to do this so fast for you so that it fits on our video. So basically, there's a Knoll museum down south, and it's got the original Knoll sofa in a glass cage. And the reason it had to have drop sides is because if you see on this snuggle chair here, the women would have their big dresses. You might want to come around here, James. So imagine I've got my big dress on. My arms need to come down so my big dress can fit. That's what the monarchs would do, guys. There's your fun piece of history for the day. But yeah, I'll finish up there. It was a very quick whiz round. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything. Thank you very much.